channel. For those of you who are new here, my name's Ashley Demore, and I put out videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle content on Tuesdays and Fridays. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click subscribe and turn on the bell, and you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. For today's video, we're going to be discussing the Nordstrom Trunk Club. I love a good subscription service, and I've been doing Stitch Fix for many years. One of the things that I really love about subscription services, especially now during the pandemic, is you can really shop and get new pieces in the comfort of your home. Something I found really interesting about the Nordstrom Trunk Club, though, is it's been around for a really long time. However, they started providing the service to men only, which I thought that was really interesting because most fashion services tend to cater to women, but not this one. They started with men and then transitioned over to women. Let's get started with the basics. Similar to Stitch Fix, the Nordstrom Trunk Club has you take a style quiz where you give them a better idea of the type of clothes you like to wear on a regular basis, as well as your sizes and how clothes typically fit you, which I thought was really interesting. My favorite part about this was they were very intentional with making sure that if you had patterns or colors that you don't wear, there's a place for you to note that within the style quiz. Another really cool feature was they asked for your zip code during the styling process, and that was to ensure that you got region and climate appropriate clothing. For example, since I live in Texas, I don't need a parka. Once I was officially on the schedule, it took a couple of days, and then I received an email that a preview was available for me to review and approve. I actually got the preview around 2 p.m. and by 4 p.m. I think I had already reviewed and approved all my choices. I was pretty open to most of the outfits in my preview. The only thing that I asked to remove was handbags. As you all know, I love my handbags and I'm really picky, and so having a stylist pick handbags for me was not something that I was really interested in. From the preview, I was really excited to see that they included pieces that go together. I've tried other subscription services and they may send you several different pieces, but none of them really work well together. With the Trunk Club, there were several pieces that just work together, and I'm really excited about that. So if you don't have a large wardrobe, I think Trunk Club is great because they're gonna actually send you outfits. I also was very impressed with the number of pieces that come in a trunk, but with more pieces, the price is driven up a little bit, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so enough talking. Let me get the trunk for you. First impressions, I love the packaging. I love that it comes with this handle, and it's pretty heavy, so it needs the handle, but I also like the pattern on the outside of the box. I think that's a really nice and unique feature to make the packaging just look really put together. So I'm gonna open her up. Let's take a look at what's in my trunk. So the first piece that they sent me are these Tory Burch Howl sneakers, and it's a plain white basic sneaker with a Tory Burch emblem on the back. These are really cute. I hope they're comfortable, but they're really plain, and I think they'll work with a lot of different outfits. So I'm excited to try these on. These retail for $198. The next piece is this pair of jeans from Madewell, and they're in a lighter wash, and they're skinny jeans. I don't tend to gravitate towards lighter wash jeans, so I'm really excited to try these on because it's outside of my comfort zone. Something I immediately noticed with a lot of these pieces are, these are pieces I wouldn't normally pick for myself because they're outside of my comfort zone, so I can't wait to try these on and see how I like them. These retail for $79.50. The next piece is also from Madewell, and it is this puff sleeve wrap top, and it's an interesting color for me. I don't think I have any tops quite this color, but I'm excited to try the shape on and see how it looks. This top retails for $49.50. The next piece is this kind of off-white, as you can see it next to the bright white, this off-white ribbed tank top, also from Madewell. I don't really have too many ribbed tank tops, so this is an interesting pick for me. And this tank top retails for $35. Sorry, $32. Now, the next two pieces are very, very interesting to me, but very outside of my comfort zone. So there's this tie-dye crew neck sweatshirt, which I know tie-dye has been really in for the past year since everyone's been staying at home and working from home. I haven't really jumped onto the tie-dye trend, but we're gonna try this out and see how this looks together. I'm really excited to pair it with these bright pink biker shorts that they also sent me. And both of these pieces are made by Zella. It's Nordstrom's activewear brand. And these shorts have this cutout here. I don't know if you can see. I can't wait to see how that looks on. So these biker shorts are $49 and the sweatshirt is $35. The next piece that Nordstrom sent me was this platform sandal. And these are really funny to me because my mother-in-law actually wears a pair very similar to them. And these are made by Joseph Seibel and they're called the European Comfort Shoe. This is actually a shoe I wouldn't normally pick for myself, so I'm interested to try it on and see how I feel about it. These shoes retail for $139. The next piece that was in my trunk are these Argentino Vivo hoop earrings, and they're sterling silver and 18 karat gold plated. What I really like about them is they have this kind of faceting detail. I'll have to get a close-up for you of these, but they have this faceting detail and I really like them. I think they're a little bit unique with the faceting detail, so can't wait to try these on. The next piece is this tank and it has dots all over it for texture and it has some buttons in the front. I also like how it kind of ruffles around the edges. It's a really cute top. I'm just not sure that I need another black tank top in my wardrobe, but we're gonna try it on and see how I feel about it. This tank top is $49. The last piece in my trunk is this kind of orangish. It's an orange with floral pattern. They call it a Ruana. And it's really long. I think you could wear this many different ways. So I'm excited to try this on and see how it looks. This is made by Soul Society and it's $44.95. Let's go try on some clothes. Now, let's talk about what I'm keeping versus what I'm sending back to the trunk club. So the first piece I'm keeping is this floral Ruana. I love it. It gives me spring, summer vibes, and I'm excited to layer it over different pieces in my closet. The next piece that I'm keeping are these skinny light wash jeans. I wasn't sure about the color, but I ended up really liking these and they were comfortable and fit really well, so I'm excited to add these to my wardrobe. I'm also keeping this wrap shirt from Madewell as well. I like the color, I like the style. It's really casual and just gives me really fun vibes. I also liked the tank top from Madewell as well. It was super comfortable and I felt like the material was pretty good as well. The last two pieces I'm keeping are this fun tie-dye sweatshirt and these hot pink biker shorts. Together, I thought they were really cute and something really fun. And I don't really have anything like this in my wardrobe. And I am excited to have this to kind of lounge around, maybe run errands, probably not, but probably more so lounge around and get some workouts in. So now let's talk about what I'm not keeping. I am not keeping these white sneakers from Tory Burch. While they look really nice and while they're really comfortable, for $198 for some plain sneakers that I'm probably gonna scuff up, I decided to pass on these. I also decided to pass on these platform sandals and they just didn't feel very age appropriate for me. There may be some people that really love them, but they're just not my personal style. So I'm sending these back as well. I'm also sending back these gold hoop earrings, and while I appreciate the fact that they're good metals, I have other hoop earrings that cost way less. I'm sending these back as well. I'm also sending back this black tank top, and while it's really pretty and I thought it fit really well, I just already have several tops like it in my wardrobe, so I'm gonna send this one back as well. Let me know what you think about my choices in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Bye.